Hello everyone. You're welcome in Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. Today I will start a new series about UPSC previous year's questions. In this series, I will discuss all the questions which have come in NDNA, CDS, Air Force, AFCAT exams of UPSC. Last 10 years vocabulary. These questions asked repeatedly in every exam. So let's start without wasting any time. First word is extravagant. Spending or costing too much money on anything. In Hindi it is fizul kharch. Synonyms are lavish, ornate. Antonyms thrifty and restrained. Example: he is a man of extravagant habits. Next word diligent, meaning showing care and effort in your work or duties. In Hindi it is mehanti. Synonyms of diligent are active, bustling. Antonyms lazy, latent. Example: they employ only diligent workers. Who is mehanti? Next word is complacent. It is all 2010 vocabs. Meaning of complacent is feeling too satisfied with yourself or with a situation so that you think that there is no need to worry. In Hindi it is Atma Santusht. Synonyms of complacent are confident, self-satisfied. Antonyms are dissatisfied, unsure. Example: his success in the preliminary examination made him complacent. Next word laudable. Deserving to be appreciated, praised or admired. Prasansaniya. Which person done something good, he is deserving to be appreciated. Synonyms are admirable, praiseworthy. Antonyms are unworthy, disrespected. Example: her behavior at a social gathering is laudable. Next word is victor. The winner of a game, competition, election, war, etc. In Hindi it is Vijeta. Synonyms are winner. Antonyms are failure. Example: in this competition she has become the victor. Next word fictitious. Invented and not true or not existing. It is काल्पनिक. Synonyms are present, concocted. Antonyms are existing or realistic. Example is the character in the story are not all fictitious. Next word is reluctance. An unwillingness to do something. In Hindi it is aniccha. Synonyms are hesitation, disinclination. Antonyms are desire, readiness. Example: the reluctance of the officer was obvious. Next word is generous. Happy to give more money, help, etc. than is usual or expected. In Hindi you can say udar. Who is generous, who is udar. Synonyms are bounteous, wholesome. Antonyms are meanness, malevolence. Example: he is a generous man. Next word absurd. Not at all logical or sensible, ridiculous. In Hindi it is betuka. Illogical and ludicrous are synonyms. Reasonable and logical are antonyms. Example: what the critic said about this new book was absurd. Next word ignored. To pay no attention to somebody or something. In Hindi you can say nazarandaz karna. Synonyms are neglect, disregard. Antonyms are notice, cognize. Example: the issue raised in the form can be ignored. Next word is lethargic. Having little energy, feeling unwilling and unable to do anything. In Hindi it is susti. Synonyms are inactive, sluggish, physical and vigorous are antonyms. Example, after swallowing the frog, the snake had become lethargic. Next word is rudely. In a way that is not polite. In Hindi you can say beruki. Disrespectful, impolite are synonyms. Antonyms are civilly, softly. Example, for the first time I saw him speaking rudely to her. Next word, hazardous. It is dangerous or khatarnak. Synonyms are risky, dangerous. Antonyms are safe and stable. Example, dust storms and polluted rivers have made it hazardous to breathe the air and drink the water. Next word is enrich. To improve the quality, flavor, etc. of something. किसी वस्तु की गुणवत्ता आदि बढ़ाना. Synonyms are enhance, improve, and antonyms are spoil, devalue. Example is only hard work can enrich our country. Next word is, so it's all in this video. We have discussed questions of vocabs of 2010. In the upcoming videos, we will also discuss many questions about UPSC exams. If you like this video, then please like and share. And if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Optimistic Aspirant. And for PDF, you can join my Telegram channel Optimistic Aspirant. Thank you so much, everyone.